What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. In this review we have a bird feeder and we have bird seeds, but this is not just any regular bird feeder. I was strolling in Walmart and I said, what the heck is this? So this is supposed to attract the goldfinches. Now I only see these things every once in a while. They don't come on my actual feeders. So I want to see if this will actually attract them. So if you are in Walmart, you are in the the bird section, you probably stumbled across this video trying to see if this thing really worked. So we are going to test this out, and it says as easy as 1, 2, and 3. So let's go ahead. Alright, so the first thing is, it says remove all this. Okay, top comes off pretty easy. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. Alright, we have the little peg right here. This is kind of self-explanatory, but if you are new to this thing, then you don't know. I mean, I'm new too, but kind of could see that's the feed of it. Put the lid back on. It says peel here. I'm just going with the flow. Alright, you have 2 openings on each side. Alright. I guess the bottom hole is for the feed. Oh, okay. Flip it upside down. Alright, if you flip it upside down, you can get most of the food. It's a little gap right there. If you have it the other way, then you're not going to get this in. So let's see if we can poke this in here. Pretty hard to get in, but it's in. Damn, I don't know. Can they stand? Will they be able to stand on this? Seems kind of small. Alright, and that's about it. So they're only eating from this little hole right here, and then one on that side. Other than that, I might put it, you know what, I'm going to put it on the hook over here, and then I'll put the GoPro out, and let's see if we can capture some action.